In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a photo to JPEG here in Canva. So I have this image just here, and this is a PNG. Now what we want to do is simply come over to the home page just here, and what we're going to do is drag and drop our image onto the home page. So if I come to here, we're just going to take this, and we're going to drop it onto the page just like that. Now we do this because this enables us to get the exact same dimensions as our photo. But now we can see it just here on the left hand side. And if we click on there, then click on Open in Editor, we now have a brand new project which is specifically the same size as our photo. Now from here, we can name that just like this, and then we want to come to Share. We're going to click on Download, and this is where we can change to JPEG. So now if we choose JPEG, we do have a few different options, but that's only with Canva Pro. Now we know this because it has a little crown icon just there. But once we have this, we can then click on Download, and now our photo has actually been converted into a JPEG. So that's just how easy it is to convert a photo to JPEG here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.